Hello, my bells and bows. Welcome back to our show.
I am Katrina, and this lovely lady sitting next to me is my sister Dominique.
The one and only. Find another. She's a phony. Anyway, y'all. So today, honey, we have ourselves Chinese, y'all.
Yes, and this video is actually a collab with Choose.
Yes, Choose.
And we're going to talk more about him in the video. But anyways.
Yes.
We're going to bow our heads, say grace, and we're going to what?
Get right to it.
God is grace, God is good. Let us thank Him for our food in Jesus' name. Amen.
Amen. Thank you for blessing our food.
And if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share. We absolutely love
love
your
it,
feedback.
y'all. Love it.
All right.
And then, y'all, we have fruit punch. We're drinking. Really good. Yes. So, get right to it, y'all. Woo! That thing big, like full, a bunch of stuff. Let's see.
Okay, y'all. So today is a very special video. Why? This is our very first collab, and also we reached 200 subscribers.
Yay! Thank all y'all.
Yeah.
Yes. All right. So we have.
We appreciate all our
think
bills
this is
and
like-
bows.
Crab raccoons, y'all, and spring rolls. Woo, it's exciting. What else we got here, Katrina?
The magic bags.
All right, steady pulling stuff out of here, y'all. What's all there? Oh yeah, we got the hot sauce, the hot oil sauce thing. I think it's called orange sauce. Oh, and of course, fried dumpling. I don't know if y'all can see that or not. That out there. The dumpling sauce. Excited! Okay, here we go. This is the main course, y'all. So we have General Soul's, y'all. General 2 Soul. I don't know how you say it, but they understand it when you order it.
This will be my first time trying this. You get this all the time.
I get it all the time, so I love this stuff. Yes.
I'm plain Jane, you know, I get the regular rice with the combination rice with the extra shrimp. That's what I be on. Well, I thought we'd try something different today in honor of what's going on.
Yeah.
So here we go.
So, I do want to say, Choose, so sweet. Very, very sweet, man. Really, really sweet. We enjoy watching his videos.
Yeah, and we actually we watched his videos before we even came out with the channel.
Yeah.
So I mean,
We was
you
watching
know,
him. He gave us a big influence, like, you know.
Yeah, and he's so authentic and real. We just love it.
Love it.
Because he gonna say it like it is. You know.
Tell it how T.I.
He ain't
is,
gonna
y'all.
sugarcoat it.
Yes. Okay. So this is the fried dumplings, y'all. General Soul, it looks like that. Got the rice, y'all, and the chicken, like kind of like orange chicken, kind of, but got the broccoli and everything.
Thanks. Anyway.
There you go. Just in case you need that. With the dumpling sauce.
That is good.
With the meat. Y'all can see. Ooh. Oh, crab raccoons, y'all. Excited. Bust the thing open, y'all. Got cheese and crab and see all that in there? Yes. Go in for that real quick. I love cream cheese. Oh no.
Nice broccoli.
Yes. I'm so glad he decided to do this collab with us.
Yeah, we honored. Honored.
Yeah.
Really? Yeah. Because, I mean, you wouldn't think you'd do a collab with somebody you watch all the time.
Crazy.
Before you even started, you know.
It's exciting.
We do appreciate all his support, commentary, giving us answers on our questions.
Not really.
Even giving our riddles a go. We really appreciate it.
Yes, we do.
Indeed.
Got that sauce in there, y'all.
And he be eating some interesting stuff on there.
He's so beautiful stuff.
Watch him. Y'all might learn a little something.
I want some of
I
that.
know we have.
Yes.
And we try to catch it live. Funny.
Who's just so sweet. Lovable.
He's a good person all around. Supportive. And we greatly appreciate it.
So well.
And we've been excited to do this here.
Yeah.
I said, what? You like Chinese food like we do?
Yeah.
Can you hand me that hot oil, Dominic?
So we did
Thank you.
this is Golden Dragon, yeah. They have some really good food. Really good.
But if y'all haven't already, go check out his channel. Look, good videos. Very, very, very good content. Love it.
Very. Yeah.
I know it. Man, I don't know that. That hot oil.
I didn't get there, y'all. I'm reason I can never finish it. Never finish it. It's like so much food.
They got big peppers in there like them.
Yeah. There's a whole red pepper, y'all.
I say.
You gonna kick.
Yeah. Yeah. We actually, I believe we did, go with the dragon before on him.
We did. We did.
So y'all like Chinese food, go check that video out as well. We have some good stuff on there.
Good stuff.
I hope you're enjoying this as much as we are.
Yes. Going there for my dumpling, y'all. Good in there, so. I love the dumpling.
I'm busting spring roll right down the middle.
Thanks, yeah. There you go.
Wrap it back up, you know, that's how they stay hot. You know. Yeah, hot. Nobody like no cold food. I can't do it.
Yeah. So how you like it? Good?
I'm good.
General sauce?
I'm good.
Different.
I some added that hot oil in there. It's a big difference. It's really good though. And for somebody who always gets the same thing.
Yeah. Eating. And it's real good. Get you all hot. You like,
Might be dry.
so yes. The collab are very important. Really. I'm really excited. It's crazy.
Yeah, I'm really interested in seeing his.
Yes.
That's what I'm most excited about. I mean, them dumplings though.
Dumplings. On point.
I always get the fried. I tried the steam. It's a little moist for my taste. It is though. No, I eat them if they made the mistake, you know. I love the sauce though. I don't know what it is. I love the stuff.
And dumpling sauce is really good. Oh, really good.
Yeah, I see how you wouldn't be able to finish. It's some nice sized pieces of chicken. They are.
With rice and broccoli. A spring roll. Spring roll. Power roll. And dumpling.
All the good.
And I ain't gonna finish all that. But Chinese food gets you full anyway. Fast.
I do, definitely.
Especially when you do like me. You gotta have something to drink. Crazy, y'all. Crazy.
Smells good. Really, really, really good.
Good, y'all.
I gotta take me one more dumpling now. Yo, I'm done.
I'm pretty much got
Love me a dumpling. Baby, so good. Man. I'll take that sauce on it.
Ooh. Oh, that thing is hot. Hot chili pepper. Ooh. Sit back, y'all. You know what that means.
Y'all know what that means. Dominant.
I don't take much for me to get full though.
I forgot about the food.
Don't take much for me. It's crazy.
I thought that dumpling was gonna do me alright. It's the perfect type of crisp pastry in there. Oh. I always wonder what they mix up in there. I think
I know for
mix
sure.
cream cheese and all that in there.
Yeah, that's what that is. Cream cheese and it's like some crab, real crab.
And some herbs. We might have to make them at home.
Yeah.
Definitely have to make them.
Yes.
Yeah, this little lady make a mean ranch, I'll tell you that. Anyways.
Yes.
Alright, so I am gonna leave the link to Choose channel below. Y'all make sure y'all go check out this collab video.
Yes.
Make sure y'all give it a big thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Make sure y'all hit that subscribe button.
Yes. Subscribe. Like, share, comment.
Okay. Alright, and without further ado, I'll go on to the next riddle that we have today.
No, never mind.
Oh, well, we released a video prior to this, and like I'm all jumbled up in the head on which one went before that, but I think we covered everybody that answered. Anyway, so let me go on with the next one. Forget it. Okay, I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? I shave every day, but my beard stays the same.
Huh?
What am I?
Okay. Yo.
Alright, y'all make sure y'all let us know in the comments. Also, we'd like to see what kind of videos y'all like to see from us. If y'all have a preference, something y'all want us to eat, something y'all think we should try, leave it in the comments.
Anything y'all think we should do, anything. Y'all just
We
let us
really,
know.
really
We love
appreciate
y'all
it.
feedback. Yeah.
Really, really appreciate
Yeah, we
it.
really will.
So as always, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and
She
share.
just said that 100
you,
times,
Pete.
y'all. We just said that. It's so funny.
No, I mean subscribe to his channel.
Oh. Choose.
He always say it twice. Y'all know.
No, we know you say that twice, but like you said that. We didn't know you was on that. But yes, choose y'all. Y'all make sure y'all go subscribe, like, comment, share.
Yeah. So
Love his video.
majority of y'all
Love him
already
'cause
are
he's so sweet.
subscribers, so
Yes.
yeah.
Yeah.
And we really appreciate it. And everybody, welcome to the family.
Yes.
Welcome to the family, and everybody who's joining or watching, join the family.
Come on, the big old
Come
treat.
on in.
Yes.
All right.
Y'all will enjoy. Yes.
And as
And we
always,
love it. Y'all stay safe. Y'all be careful and always stay positive. Always. Positive is key. So we'll see y'all next time. All right. Bye-bye, y'all.